Keefe, President and CEO of Relitix. A few weeks ago, we sat down with Rob and we talked about the new Relitix Office product that came out. And one of the things that he had said is that there was some magic behind this new Relitix Office. And everyone here is buzzing about AI these days. What makes Relitix unique in its ability to leverage AI in this new Office product?
Well, thanks for asking. I love that question. So Relitix has been doing AI since 2017, although it looked a lot different 7 years ago than it does today. Today, when we talk about AI, most people mean some form of chat GPT or the large language models out there. When we talk about some of our AI-driven metrics in Relitix, we're talking about using the underlying technology, but using it very specifically to predict certain future behaviors and to do certain benchmarkings, but not to just run it through a large language model and see what comes out. So we use a technology called deep learning to look at the underlying data and to make some very interesting and sort of insightful discoveries and analyses on different agent characteristics or things that relate to listings in the market as well. For example, one of the things we do for agents is we look at what's going on in their career and we develop talk tracks for the best way to coach or recruit that agent. We also have another AI component to our system called Message AI that helps draft emails and messages. We pioneered the use of this for our switch risk model in 2018 and then sort of extrapolated upon that for doing things like predicting great rookie agents, predicting and benchmarking agents' behavior in terms of how well they do at managing listings. And now we've taken that to the next level in the Office product.
So let's dial it in to something that we're super excited about. So Relitix just introduced this new Office product. It's said to be loaded with AI, delivering actionable insights quicker than ever. What features stand out to you and the Relitix organization as game changers for brokers out there?
Usually, especially for larger brokerages, there's just dozens upon dozens of listings to wade through to try to figure out what the right level of intervention or assistance would be for your agent's listings out there. So the AI that we're bringing to bear on this takes a look at that active listing pipeline and begins to sort of peel it apart and figure out what listings are at the most risk of perhaps expiring or being canceled or withdrawn from the market. Now, if we layer on top of that and also provide the information on the historical listing skill of that listing agent, you've got two compounding pieces of information that allow an office manager to really focus their attention on the listings that can most be impacted by their direct assistance.
I know I'm going to get booed by some of these early adopters and the AI geeks out there, but I have to ask it because I know some out there are going to have the same question. But do you think Relitix Office and its AI capabilities that you just noted outshine those traditional management practices for driving growth in a real estate organization?
I actually don't. I think that they're used to complement and facilitate those traditional management practices. What we've tried to create with this is an AI-enabled solution that allows good office managers to leverage those skills that they have developed over the years, but do so in a way that's much more time efficient. This issue that we're having in real estate of the ratio of agents to office managers going up and up, I don't see that going away anytime soon. That means that our office management has to get much more efficient, and the way to do that, one way to do that, is by leveraging these sorts of technologies that we're developing.
Well, that in itself, managers are giving time back in their day. If they're not sifting through, layers and layers of data, and they don't have to do that and it's delivered to them, then they can be more efficient of managing their practice, being AI is complementary to what they already do.
What we're all about is actionable insights. We want to make that very accessible, get rid of the drudge work, and go right to what needs to be done to maximize the company dollar coming into the brokerage.
So Rob, we're very excited about this new Relitix Office product that's out today. And before we close up shop for the afternoon, you had mentioned in our first interview that the head of the line folks are the current Relitix customers getting this product, and now we're opening it up to the masses of the public. How do those folks connect with you to get this product?
You can just shoot us an email at sales@relitix.com, and we'll be back in touch with them right away.
That easy. You heard it here from Rob Keefe, President and CEO of Relitix. We're always excited to hear from him, and thank you for joining us today, Rob.
Thanks, Rob.